Hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about human excretory system. So the excretory system of humans consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureter, urinary bladder is there to store urine, and then there is an opening known as the urethra. Okay, so these are the parts of the excretory system. You can see here two kidneys are there, so we can say a pair of kidneys. Then ureter, this is the tube, and here there is a bladder which stores the urine, and then an opening known as the urethra. Fine. Now if we talk about the dimensions of the kidney, then you will see the length of the kidney is around 10 to 12 centimeter. The width of the kidney is around 5 to 7 centimeter. And the thickness, if you talk about the thickness of the kidney, that will be around 2 to 3 centimeter. Fine. So these are the dimensions of the kidney. Now if you talk about the weight, what is the weight of the kidney? Then you will find it is around 120 to 170 gram. So this weight we are talking of the adult kidney, okay, not of the child. Fine. So these are the organs which are involved in the excretory system. Now we will see that the color of the kidney is a reddish brown, and the shape is bean shape. Okay, the shape of the kidney is bean shape. So it is a bean shaped organ and it is reddish brown in color. Right. Now if you see the location where the kidneys are located, then you will see that they are at the back side, we can say the dorsal side, right, and it is between the thoracic 12 to lumbar 3 vertebrae, right. So in between the thoracic 12 to lumbar 3 vertebrae, you will find the kidneys are placed. Is that clear? So this is all about the position of the kidney. Now we will move on further, that here we will see what are all the layers which are protecting the kidney. So we will move from the outermost layer, then we will focus on the innermost layer. So the outermost layer is the fascia. Then the middle layer is the fatty layer, which is made up of adipose tissue. The innermost layer is known as the capsule. So these are the layers. The outermost is the fascia, adipose tissue layer is there, middle one, and the innermost is the capsule. So these are the three layers which are protecting the kidney. Now at the top of the kidney, you will find a gland. So this is a gland above the kidney. The gland is the adrenal gland. Okay. So on the top of the kidney, you will find one gland and its name is the adrenal gland. Now here is what we see the internal structure of the kidney, right? Now if you see the kidney, then you will find two surfaces, right? Concave and the convex. Fine. So this is what we call the concave surface. This is concave, as it is making the cave-like structure, the cave-like structure it is making. So we can say this is a concave surface, concave side of the kidney. And this side is what we call the convex side of the kidney, right? Now, the kidney is divided into two parts internally. This is what we call the cortex side towards the periphery, and towards the internal side you will find the medulla region. So internally the kidney is divided into cortex and the medulla. Okay. In the medulla region, you will find around 5 to 7 medullary pyramids. Medullary pyramids. These pyramids are also known as renal pyramids. So let's see this also. So we will see that this region is the cortex region. Here in the medullary region, you will find around 5 to 7 medullary pyramids are there. Okay, so these are the medullary pyramids, and here you will see numerous collecting ducts are coming. These collecting ducts are going to form minor calyx. Okay, these collecting ducts joins to form minor calyx, and then we will form major calyx. Right? So here you will see that the cortex region, this is extending in between the medullary pyramids. Okay, so the cortex region is extending in between the medullary pyramids, and this region is what we call column of Bertini. Okay, fine. Now here, what you will see from this concave side, arteries and veins are entering. Okay, arteries and veins are entering from this side, and the ureter is coming out. So here a funnel shaped structure is formed, and this funnel shaped structure is known as renal pelvis. Okay, this funnel shaped structure is known as renal pelvis. Right? So these are the medullary pyramids. Now what you will see in the medullary pyramids, this the pointed structure here at the tip, this pointed structure I am talking of, this is what we call renal papillae or renal papilla. Okay, so we have seen the column of Bertini. So what is column of Bertini? The cortex region which is extending in between the medullary pyramids, that is what we call the column of Bertini. Okay, so numerous medullary pyramids are there. Now in the kidney you will find a functional unit, that is what we call nephrons. Nephrons are going to filter the blood. So numerous nephrons are there, millions of nephrons are present in each of the kidney, and these nephrons are the functional unit of the kidney. Now what you will see that the nephron Bowman's capsule, this is the Bowman's capsule of the nephron, and the highly convoluted tubule, this is what we call the proximal convoluted tubule. Then there is a U-shaped structure, this is the loop of Henle, this is also a tube, which is then formed the distal convoluted tubule, and this distal convoluted tubule is joined to the collecting duct. So from this collecting duct, numerous nephrons are connected. Fine. So this is what we call Bowman's capsule of nephron. This is proximal convoluted tubule. And this hairpin-like structure, U-shaped structure, is the loop of Henle. This is the distal convoluted tubule, DCT, and this is the collecting duct. Okay, now in the cortex region, what you will find? In the cortex region, you will find the Bowman's capsule. Loop of Henle you will find in the medullary region, in the medullary pyramid. Then there's Bowman's capsule and the PCT. Bowman's capsule and the PCT and the DCT you will find in the cortex region. Loop of Henle, this loop of Henle you will find in the medulla region. And this collecting duct you will find in the cortex as well as in the medulla region. Fine. So what you will find in the cortex region, this Bowman's capsule, proximal convoluted tubule, as well as the distal convoluted tubule. So these three parts are present in the this cortex region, whereas the lupophilae and the lupophilae is present in the medulla region, whereas the collecting duct is present in the cortex as well as in the medulla region. So numerous collecting ducts are coming here, and they are going to make what? They are going to make your minor calyx. Then further minor calyx will form major calyx. And here funnel shaped structure is there, which is known as the renal pelvis. So this is all about for today. Thank you for watching this video.